Hello friends, today in this video we are going to discuss about generalized momentum, cyclic coordinates and conservation theorem of generalized momentum. Okay, suppose we have a conservative system in which forces are derivable from a potential function, suppose V, which dependent on position only. So Lagrangian L is given by T minus B, where T is the kinetic energy, V is the potential energy. So let's find del L by del QK dot. So QK is position and Q dot K, that means time derivative of QK, that represents velocity, isn't it? So if you replace the L by T minus V, then you will get del T by del QK dot minus del V by del QK dot. So as V depends only position, QK dot is velocity, that's why this term gonna be 0, as V depends on QK only, not on QK dot. Okay, so now this implies del L by del QK dot is equal to del T by del QK dot. Okay, now you see T is equal to, T means kinetic energy of the whole system. So I am using here summation to represent the kinetic energy of the whole system. That's going to be given by half mk, that is mass, qk dot square, half into mass into velocity, isn't it? That gives kinetic energy. So here velocity is qk dot. Okay, so now if you differentiate with respect to qk dot, then what you will get? Then del T by del qk dot, that's gonna give you, okay, if you differentiate it with respect to qk dot, then what you will get? You will get this result, half mk into 2 qk dot, 2 to cancel here. So now it implies del L by del QK dot is equal to summation mk qk dot. Okay, here m is the mass, qk is the velocity. So that means mass into velocity, it must be momentum. Okay, so let it be represented by pk, suppose, and here the pk is said to be generalized momentum. Okay, so hope you have understood this. Now let us discuss about cyclic coordinates or ignorable coordinates. Okay, cyclic coordinates or ignorable coordinates. Now you see, if Lagrangian L of a system is not a function of a given coordinate, suppose qk. So if L is not a function of qk, then qk is said to be cyclic or ignorable coordinates. So that means qk, this coordinate qk is said to be cyclic or ignorable coordinate if del L by del qk is equal to 0. So hope you have understood. Now let us discuss about conservation of generalized momentum. Now you see, according to Lagrangian equation, d by dt of del L by del qk dot minus del L by del qk is 0. Okay, now here qk is cyclic coordinate, then del L by del qk must be equal to 0. So the second term on left hand side of the above equation must be equal to 0. Del L by del qk, it is 0, and this equation, this Lagrangian equation implies now d by dt del L by del qk dot is equal to 0, which means this del L by del qk dot must be constant. So del L by del qk dot, it is nothing but the generalized momentum pk. So as we have already shown here, you can see, so this is the generalized momentum pk. So it is generalized momentum pk, so pk is constant here. So that's why we can say, so generalized momentum corresponding to a cyclic coordinate is conserved. Okay, so as you can see, here we have got generalized momentum is constant here for the cyclic coordinate qk, that's why it is conserved. So hope you have understood this. So if you think this video is helpful for you, then please share with your friends and hit the thumbs up button if you liked the video. Then if you're new to my channel, subscribe the channel. Thank you for watching.